You okay? Get back up there. All the way up there, cowgirls. Close. You gotta stay close to your hands. When you're ready. Alright, same thing. Lean back, lean forward. I'm gonna ease you back into this. We'll let you get used to it, then I'm gonna give you a countdown. Lean forward, lean back, and forward, just like that. Look at her go, look at her ride. Both twist, turn, slip, and slide up there now. Squeeze your knees tight together, cowgirl. Dig your heels in. Gonna get you hopping around like a ping pong ball. Now you gotta bend that pelvis like Elvis. Forward, lean back, lean forward. Give me a nice loud yeehaw, cowgirl. All right, here we go. This is your countdown. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Give her a round of applause. Great job up there, cowgirl. Good job.